Anna, in the heart of Khadakwasla, a beacon of integrity and progress emerged. A simple, upright image, corruption-free governance, respecting elders, caring for sisters and mothers, and an inspiration for the youth. Bhimrao Anna Tapkir. Destiny chose Anna to represent Khadakwasla Assembly Constituency, surrounded by nature's bounty, cultural traditions, rich in human capital, and expanding in line with the progress of the country. And thus began the growth story of our constituency. Integrity is the hallmark of Anna's work. He infuses honesty into governance, believes in corruption-free administration, unites all segments of society, balances urban and rural development, and also safeguards nature. While facing the new challenges of the new era, along with increasing urbanization, whether it is building a network of roads, urban facilities, metro projects, or ring road projects, Anna not only passionately raised these issues in the Legislative Assembly time and again, but also implemented these projects, showcasing his true leadership capabilities. As a result of these efforts, metro lines from Swargate to Katras, Khadakwasla to Kharadi will soon be a reality. These projects have also been approved in the recent cabinet meeting. In line with these developments, Swargate Metro Station was recently inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji.
ये मेट्रो नेटवर्क आधुनिक भारत के शहरों की नई लाइफलाइन बनती जा रही है.
But the journey doesn't stop here. To deal with the traffic problems decisively, the Chandni Chowk flyover project, which is an important link on the Mumbai-Pune highway, falling in our constituency, was successfully completed. Navle Bridge to Katraj Road was upgraded to 6 lanes. Katraj Wonder City flyover is in progress. Warze Malwadi River Bridge work will begin soon. To reduce traffic outside the city and promote development, a ring road project is also on track. Anna's vision extends far and wide. PMRDA roads, Mukhyamantri Gram Sadak Yojana, hybrid and internal roads. Thousands of crores are being invested in our future. The special funds of the Urban Development Department were used in large measure for various civic amenities, drainage systems, water pipelines, etc. Not only in urban pockets, but also in every village and rural areas. Development works for roads, drainage lines, crematoriums and connecting roads were carried out on a large scale. To improve the water supply in rural areas, special water schemes have been implemented under the National Drinking Water Scheme. With the success of Anna's pursuit, 32 villages falling under the Pune Municipal Corporation will be applied tax on the grounds of the Gram Panchayat. The old bills will be cancelled and new taxes will be levied. Farmers benefited from crop insurance schemes and disaster relief aids. Thousands of beloved mothers and sisters have been benefited from the Ladki Bahin Yojana scheme, and employment opportunities for women will also be available through Pink e-rickshaw. We all know that in times of crisis, Anna stands ready to help, addressing citizens' problems with unwavering dedication. Under the Tourism Development Scheme, many religious places like Kondhanpur, Neelkantheshwar Devasthan and Dhareshwar Devasthan were developed. Also, funds have been provided for various development works for the crown jewel of our constituency, the Sinhgarh Fort and nearby areas. Taking a big step towards environmental conservation, an oxygen park has been constructed in the vicinity of Khadakwasla Dam. While celebrating our religious festivals with great enthusiasm, Anna has also preserved the social and cultural heritage with great pride. On the strength of this and many such diverse development works, Anna has gained an image in the constituency of a strong in performance and delivery MLA. Bhimrao Anna Tapkir, no longer just a name, but a promise. A promise of a Khadakwasla that leads. A constituency that doesn't just dream of tomorrow, but builds it today. The coming period will be one of radical positive change and sustainable development for the Khadakwasla constituency. This isn't just progress, it's a revolution. Let's stand firmly with Bhimrao Anna in this endeavor and forge Khadakwasla's destiny.
वेळोवेळी जे काय आम्हाला अण्णा मदत करतात इथून पुढे अण्णांचं आपल्याला आम्हाला असंच सहकार्य असावं.
त्या अन्नाचं काम सगळ्यात चांगलं आहे.
अण्णा म्हणजे एक कॉल प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व असं व्यक्तिमत्व आहे.
वो बहुत ही जमीन से जुड़े हुए हैं.
इतकं विशाल व्यक्तिमत्व आहे आणि त्यांच्याविषयी बोलणं म्हणजे सूर्याला प्रकाश दाखवणं.
अण्णांनी कधी आम्ही फोन केला तर अण्णा एका पूर्णपणे आम्हाला मदत करतात.
तर असे हे अण्णा आहे की जनतेची कामं हिरारीने करणारे.
अण्णांनी आपलं हे स्वप्न सत्यात आणलंय.
जगी ज्यास कोणी नाही त्याच देव आहे असा शोधून न सापडणारा आमदार आपल्याला मिळाला.
On Wednesday, 20th November 2024, visit your polling stations between 7 a.m. and 6 p.m. Press the button in front of the lotus symbol and make the official candidate of Bharatiya Janata Party and Mahayuti, Shri Bhimrao Anna Dhondiba Tapkir, win with a huge majority.